this is ACI with a video tutorial on how to order our press printed products using our BOGO promotion. To start off, you'll have to launch the Rose ordering software and make sure you are logged in with your ACI account number on the right hand side. If this is empty or it says new customer, go ahead and type in your ACI account number and click on login with your mouse. To get to the press printed area, there is two ways of getting there. You can click on press on the left hand side or click start ordering at the top and click this drop down area and locate press printed products. So on the first drop down thing right here, you'll select the actual product you're looking for. So I already selected postcards. Otherwise, if you have anything else you're looking for, you'd just toggle on these arrows if you're on a Mac, or it all should be listed if you're on a PC. So I already selected the postcards. I selected that it's two-sided. I selected vertical because my images are vertical. If you have horizontal, you'll select horizontal. Or if one side is horizontal and one side is vertical, you'll select split. And then below that, you will just select your dimensions. So you would just hit the little arrow if you're on a Mac to toggle over all of the dimensions. So I selected 5x5. I have my 5x5 template here. Drag up my JPEGs. So I have made sure that my template is sitting proper. I've kept in mind the bleed area and nothing is going to be cut off, so everything looks good here. I'm going to go ahead and leave all of the options on the right hand side as is and go ahead and click on add to order. So we click on view cart in the upper right hand corner. We should see that this card is in our cart. So on the left we can see a little thumbnail and what we ordered, any additional options we might have selected on the previous screen, and then the price of the set. So each set is 25 cards, and the quantity. So we've only selected one quantity of cards, so we're only getting 25. So I'm wanting 100 cards, so we're going to go ahead and change this to 4. With the BOGO, I'm only paying for the first 2 sets, so $4.50, and then the second set, the second 2, I'm getting for free. So we would recommend leaving this at even amounts. That way you are properly getting that buy one, get one free. If you were to put it to odd amounts, let's say 5, you'd be paying for 3 sets and then only getting 2 sets for free. So I'm going to leave this at an even amount. So the wrong way to order this would be if you left this at 1, and then we're going to go back to this previous screen and hit this 3 more times. And then go back to our cart. You'll see that there is 4 items within the cart. For the BOGO to properly apply, it only have to be 1 with an adjusted quantity. This would be the wrong way to order this. So we're going to go ahead and remove the extra 3 and change the quantity to 4, which is 100 cards. So that would be the proper way of putting it in your cart. The way to put the promo in is actually going to come up after you click on complete and send order. So you'll have to fill out this information on the right hand side properly. So fill in your special instructions, drop ship. You'll always have to make sure to put in a reference text, so we'll go ahead and do that. And initial that we've reviewed our order, and then click on complete and send order. You'll have to make sure to fill this information properly and hit next. The shipping, I'll go ahead and leave it at free shipping. If you're needing it faster, you can select the proper shipping accordingly. And then here is where you will type in that BOGO promotion. As of right now, there is no active promo, so I'm just going to go ahead and put in BOGO test to show you what will happen if you put in the wrong promo. If you hit OK over here, it'll say we couldn't find that promotion code. The proper promo will be up on our webpage under our special promotions area. So you'd be able to get that promotion once the actual BOGO promotion is active. We should also be sending an automated email with that promotion code once the actual promotion is live. But once it is live and active and you type it in here and click OK, this area will turn green and it will tell you down here that that promotion has been applied. So we'll go ahead and leave this empty, and then essentially you would just hit next and then hit that send button on however you'd like to submit that order. If you have any questions regarding this, definitely give our customer service department a call at 1-800-728-2722. Thank you.